Yeah, we are live.
Yeah. So hey all, we are back again here, and we have one guest today, Santwana. So Santwana, starting from your introduction, we want to introduce you to our audience. So can we have your introduction, please?
Basically, I really like to ask questions, and I want to ask a question straight from Aditya right now first. Am I
Okay.
the only guest today, and all others are members who have already joined this particular session earlier?
Yeah, actually
Yeah,
they have connected to quite a long time. So you are the new one today.
Actually, whoever is a new face to our channel becomes our guest, and it's your channel too, bro. But it's your for the audience, you are a new face. Okay, so we are
So
So
that's
you
introducing
are
a
you.
teaching. So you are teaching me a marketing stint, right? You are
Yeah,
telling
yeah,
me that this is your
yeah,
channel,
yeah.
and you are just serving
Whatever,
me a marketing stint.
yeah, whatever you can think of, it's exactly like that. So,
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, so I have to
Yeah. So let's
introduce
start with
myself.
the
So my name is
yeah.
Santwana Singh, and I am a third year undergrad at Industrial and Production Engineering Department of Guru Ghasidas Vishyavidhalaya.
Mm-hmm.
I basically like to debate, which is a very unusual thing. I
Mm-hmm.
really like to read a lot of things. Currently, I am going through the budget of Mr. Nirmala Sitaram, and I am going through different techniques which are shared by, like such as the RBI, the managers of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and other organizations who are talking about the current budgets. So I'm basically interested towards. Currently, I'm interested towards the economic sector and the corporate sector, and I'm finding ways and finding such strategies, listening to people who are just trying to push the current economy and the current scenario, the current industrial scenario
yeah,
towards a new normal. As because everyone is in need of a new normal right now, and everybody is thinking about how to push our
yeah.
situation right. So
Yeah, you
basically,
you spoke the whole thing we have spoken since our first video to this. We haven't spoken this much of English from first day to last day. So for to this day, okay. So
Okay,
Sant,
let's discuss on the economy
yeah,
yeah,
of
Economy.
India.
yeah.
yeah,
Aditya prepared a different topic, but the
Which topic, Adi?
we can share
Yeah,
both.
no problem.
We can talk
We
about
can go with
both of the topics, right?
Yeah.
yeah,
yeah,
but last we have experienced something like sticking to a single topic makes it more relevant and
Hmm.
more. Yeah, it's
So let's
just good
start
to
with
have
your
a single
topic
topic.
first, then
no,
we
no,
will
no.
get. If we
Economics.
will have some time, we will talk about.
No, hmm?
I think economy
I
is
think
fine with.
we should go with the economy
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
Okay,
It will be.
economy.
It
Hmm.
will be better. Yeah.
Let's start.
Yeah. So yeah, Rishabh, let's start with you only. Like, what you have with like you started economy talking about economy. So like, what do you want to share about it? What do you have in your mind? Right?
I have a question from all of you.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Which prime minister is known as the economics of father of India?
Yeah, this
Manmohan Singh.
Manmohan Singh, obviously.
Wrong answer.
Huh?
That's
You
why I
lost
didn't
it.
answer. I knew. I knew it that
Whoa.
the answer couldn't be this easy.
So let me think. Let me
I
think a
I
little
give
more.
the hints.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
There is a prime minister in which
Mm-hmm.
era
Mm-hmm.
Manmohan Singh is a financial minister.
Okay. Oh, that his name is.
Arey, he was
Ach, ach,
included in the scam also. The one who was,
And in that era, the GDP of the Indian growth of GDP of the Indian economy is 2% to 8%. It follow.
Was it Rajiv Gandhi?
wow.
Narasimha Rao.
Narsimha
Narasimha
Rao.
Rao. Yeah,
Yeah, Pranjali, you are right.
TV
Yeah.
Narasimha Rao.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Whoa.
So I was not remembering that Narsimha Rao was from which party.
party.
So I haven't.
I'm so
Okay.
I was about to speak Manu Mundra.
I'm so sorry. I'm not this much into politics, so I don't know about
Okay.
the guy you are talking about.
Now you know,
Anyways,
na. Now you know.
yeah.
You
Narsimha
will
Rao,
learn
right?
from us.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the era of the Narasimha Rao, there is a scam. We all know that scam 992.
Okay.
Maybe the growth of GDP due to this scam
Oh.
Oh.
it's also happened, but the Indian economy will be growth as a exponential.
Okay.
Okay. Expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, basically, Indian economy is based on the many farm. Just like still the agriculture is a biggest key of the
Yeah.
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 And second is construction.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
infrastructure development. Yeah.
Uh,
Mhm.
but we all know that government didn't like the agriculture farm so much in last decade.
Yeah, yeah,
I am going to give a controversial statement. Only one person, one politician likes the agricultural part because he gets to eat food of buffaloes.
Food of
Oh,
buffaloes means?
food of buffaloes. I didn't get that.
Have you heard about the Lalu Yadav controversy?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Chara Gotala.
I was talking about that. Only that politician likes the agricultural development
Yeah,
because
he
you
Okay.
get
was,
to eat
he
those
was,
things,
he
right?
was, he was once our railway minister, I guess, and
Yeah.
He is the
railway
best
performed,
railway minister of
Best
India.
railway
Yeah, he
performed
was the
very
best
well.
railway minister
Yeah, and
actually.
railway did very well at that time. I have
that
listened
time.
about that.
Yeah, I remember that thing also. Right.
Yeah. Uh, and there is also said that the eclohal department is also
Alcohol, alcohol
Alcohol.
alcohol,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah, yeah.
OSD alcohol department is also based on economic of the India.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
it
Yeah,
contributes a lot.
it is the fourth pillar of the
Yeah.
exactly.
economy.
It's one of the pillars of
And
economy. Right.
Chhattisgarh is a
Major
top
contributor.
among the all
Major.
states.
That's why the government is delivering alcohol home delivering the alcohol
Yeah,
in Chhattisgarh.
Yeah.
you can't get milk at your home, but you will get alcohol at your home.
Alcohol
That's
definitely.
nice.
Hmm. The basic reason, people should understand that basic reason behind that is it somehow like supporting the economy, and we at this time we just need this, like it's so important for us
But
in this
but
time.
there are many ways.
What important? Alcohol?
In India, only
No, not
few
alcohol, the economy.
yeah.
Okay.
Very few people
Mhm.
pay the taxes in India.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Everyone pays
Mhm,
tax.
Everyone
percentage,
wants
yeah.
to
If all the people
skip
pay the
it.
taxes, then India will be come over a superpower company.
Yeah,
Superpower
Mhm.
commerce
country.
Countries,
students
yeah,
do
first world
CA.
countries.
Yeah.
Commerce students do CA. They rub themselves a lot to save others' taxes and to earn from
Right,
that.
right.
Yeah.
Even I have heard that. Right,
They
right.
are reading all about taxes and they are just doing it in a different way to just save their taxes and fill their pockets.
Yeah. Even those CSR funds, we have heard about CSR funds regarding SECL
Yeah.
in other
Mhm.
companies. They don't utilize the CSR funds regularly, and in spite of donating or using in a particular cause, they just cut money throughout them. I'm not particularly blaming a particular company,
Yeah.
but I'm just telling that it's the overall scenario in the country.
Yeah, I know
Right.
different ways that like tax could be saved, like donating to
Yeah,
Charity.
NGOs and like buying
Yeah.
buying a life insurance also saves your taxes and all. And there will be several ways I think like
Yeah,
people can
charity
save
to
taxes and
temple.
all.
Like you don't have to show bills there. You can charity to temple. That's the one way, I think.
Yeah, because but the people actually don't do those things and they just show these things in the paper and that's the
Right.
reason. I
Yeah.
think it's no.
Have you heard about the any company name along with private limited?
Yeah, many
Sorry?
companies have.
Yeah.
Any companies, bro?
Actually, private limited means that they do not pay the tax to government. They donate the charity,
Oh.
their taxes.
But they can't, right?
I didn't know.
Yeah. They are not come in stock market, never, because they are private limited.
They don't have their IPOs.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is there any process like a private limited company if they want to become
Yeah.
whatever?
No. Private
Rishabh,
limited.
okay, so Rishabh, you were stuck. So can you repeat your?
You have to clear out your tag of private limited. You have to pay the taxes to the government.
Oh, previous taxes.
No.
No, upcoming.
Oh,
Upcoming-
Upcoming and the current.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
got the thing.
So
Recently,
what's
I heard
a
about Paytm entering the stock market, right?
Okay, I didn't know.
Not still. Zomato
They are
and
planning to
LIC
do.
are entering.
I
Okay.
have heard about Vijay Shekhar Sharma launching the biggest
Yes,
set of IPO stocks in India. I heard
yeah,
about.
they are planning, but not still happen.
So they haven't launched.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if they will
Zo-
launch, I think that it will be
Zomato
the
give the
biggest
highest
slide in
IPO
this.
of the history of
Oh,
Indian
Okay.
history. It's
Whoa.
500 crore.
Oh,
Whoa.
500
Whoa.
crores.
Whoa.
Yeah,
500
that's
crores.
huge amount.
I
That's
think
a
Zomato
huge.
have a four partner,
Mhm.
Yeah.
Dipesh Jain, along with Dipen Jain, I think.
Deepinder Goyal. Deepinder Goyal.
Dipender Goyal.
Deepinder Goyal, yeah.
So,
They are the manpower. They have manpower of attorney, and they have
mhm.
100 and something crore have
Wow.
money about the Zomato, I think.
So I have a question here. Like you said, there are companies called private limited, right?
Yeah,
So they can't enter this stock market, right?
yeah.
So what are the other categories of this company who lies in this stock market trading? Like who can register in this stock market? What are these categories?
Nothing. Just like I have a startup of just 1 lakh, 2 lakh capital.
Mm-hmm.
If I want to enter in the stocks exchange, then
Mm-hmm.
I will. But the registration charge and my capital income, everything will be shown to the exchange. You have
Okay.
seen you have seen many cases that company are fraud. They are
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
gone after,
Right.
after entering the exchange office.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that
There's
is
so
the
many cases
problem.
of it.
There's no many tough rule about this.
Okay.
So tell me one thing, like how a company gets benefited when they are listed in the stock market.
I have I have discussed about this.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
has
yeah, yeah,
actually.
yeah. I
Many times.
remember that. I
Like,
Yeah,
remember
I
that.
think.
I
Yeah.
yeah,
have heard
people.
about BSE that BSE keeps a minimum slab of 3 crores capital for entering into their listing. Like, is it
Yeah,
is
yeah,
this
yeah,
true?
yeah, yeah.
Minimum 3 crores is
Yeah, just like if we want to register a stock market company, just like Angel Broking Grow app, we are starting any brokerage company that I have to pay 1 crore rupees to the registration office.
Oh,
Okay.
It is a charge.
Okay, so let's
Okay.
come to our economic part, and
Economic.
let's
Yeah,
connect it to students only so that everyone can join us. So we have discussed it for a long time. I think it's already been 15 minutes. So let's give Pranjal, Amit, and Anubhav a little bit, like a window to talk about these things.
yeah, yeah.
So whoever
According
wants
to
to talk about, like you can just connect
uh,
economy to a student or farmer or anything you want to say. If you want if you want to contribute in the improvisation of economy in your mind, like what are your ideas, you can say about that.
Mhm.
you may continue after you. I'll continue. Okay.
Yeah. You can take time. Whoever wants to take a little bit time to frame your thing.
Yeah, exactly.
So let's come to Santwan, like how he thinks like economy and the students and are connected to each other.
so basically there are lots of notions like there are things which are on ground and there are things which are off ground in the current scenario.
Okay.
Majorly things which are off ground are discussed and things on ground are not discussed. Like let me put forward a particular thing. We are paying for our educational fees right now.
Yeah.
We are
yeah,
paying for online courses.
Yeah.
We are
Right.
paying for a lot of such things, online services, for subscriptions and all those things. And we
Yes.
are staying at home. Some people are even paying for fitness
Yeah. Gym
and
and all.
particular things because they don't have to even walk out of their house. That is the scenario. And on the other part, we are also paying our entire fee of a particular semester or a particular
Yeah.
session. Well,
Yeah.
that
Maintenance
won't,
and all fees.
yeah, government thinks that that won't hamper the GDP or economy of the country, by the way. But there are few things and there are few scenarios which can definitely boost the current condition of our country, I believe, and that emanates or that originates from students.
Okay.
Like I have seen a lot of fairs, a lot of hackathons, sessions in which students are asked about few particular things to revive the current economy, the current industrial scenario, the downfall of the industry. But these hackathons or all these things are limited to particular sector or to the cream of the milk only. Like by cream of the milk, I mean premier institutes or institutes which are able to get notified about it.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
are people there are people in remote areas who have better plans or better ideas or have better technology also, but they are not able to meet such, you know,
Opportunities, yeah.
Platforms, right?
platforms. So, like, even in our particular, like, let's talk about our college. There is no ecosystem which is discussing what is the current scenario and what the solution could be. There are no students who are sitting apart from us. So there are no people who are sitting together and discussing how they will be able to cater this problem, how they
Yeah,
should think about their career. Well, economy is very interrelated with career, right?
yeah.
I've, I've
Yeah.
heard that there is overall a drop of 16% employment right now. Like 16% unemployed people have increased in India.
Oh,
Is it
that's
true?
yeah.
Like
That's a huge number, I guess, compared to Indian
Obviously.
population.
yeah.
Population, yeah.
So those unemployed people will definitely directly or indirectly relate to the economy or the GDP because more unemployed people, less production,
More stress.
less
Yeah.
sale, and yeah,
Basically, inversely proportional to the
exactly,
unemployment, right?
exactly. So it overall pulls down the economy, and well, we are the students are the majority sector of the Indian population, basically.
Yeah, yeah.
So if this is happening to us, and if we are not boosted, then I don't think that there is any other way. Well, people are like the chairman of Kotak or some official from Kotak is suggesting that the government should print more notes, currency
So I
notes.
think that is not a good idea. I have searched this that if a government wants
Like,
to, like be more is that then they can print indefinite amount of note, but that will really decrease the
exactly.
yeah. Everyone thinks of this. Like I think
Yeah.
like curious people think of not great minds thinks, dumb minds as me thinks about that. So so I searched about it and I found out on Google that the value of our money and the whole system will collapse. Okay, after that.
Exactly. And actually, money originating is not important. Reaching the right people is very important. The source and the destination is very important. Like
Yeah.
even a loan provider right now, I have heard these things from personal experience. Even a PMEGP loan provider nowadays takes a slab of around 50,000 rupees out of your 3 lakh loan. Like if you are asking for a
Yeah,
amount
yeah.
3 lakh or 2 lakh rupees
Yeah,
loan, then they will
I
definitely
have,
ask 50,000 for their business only.
yeah,
So
I
it's
Corruption.
know
not
that. Yeah, corruption is killing our society, but like corruption is okay, but
No,
doing corruption,
government employee also.
exactly
Ev-
government employees.
Everyone want a government job because the government employee have not to do work.
And
obviously.
what will not be the best example if we consider our college only.
Yeah.
I don't have to say
everyone want,
anything.
everyone want college will be still closed that we
Yeah,
have to not to do work.
because yeah,
Okay, how many years have happened since our college was painted for the last time? Do you
it
know?
was so
It feel not
we are not criticizing that things here, okay, Santwana. It feels pain to me because
I'm
it's my
not
last
saying
year.
I'm not
It's my
criticizing.
last year of my college.
I'm not criticizing, but I'm saying that
Yeah, yeah,
there are the maintenance
yeah,
funds. Like
maintenance. Yeah.
if
Obviously,
people
we will abuse those things when we are in college.
we're
We
not
should. I
abusing
will
or
abuse. I will abuse those things because those are like
That's my college.
they really require
That's
abusing
our
and
thing.
all. Yeah, that's like how you let's consider like you have given a rent to one of your homes and rent people who are living in there, they are not painting and whatever things they are doing, you will abuse that because it's made of your money and we are paying that thing, like for
Hmm.
infrastructure, for electricity, and for everything, and they are not doing
But
the same thing they are like responsible to do. So we can say good
yeah.
things about that.
okay, since I have said a lot about the particular economics and students thing, I have a question from that.
Mhm.
Like, we all know the root of our economy are students. I'm not talking about us, college students. I'm talking about
Yeah.
students which are currently studying in school,
Okay.
which are getting grades from general promotion and all, and I'm getting very jealous right now. So,
Yeah.
so the overall point is the government is not focusing on their education, because I'm seeing a lot of students very much active on reels and TikTok and here and
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
but not.
Yeah,
Almost
exactly.
70%. I can write this
Yeah,
figure.
Yeah, even I feel the
but
same.
I haven't seen that crazy in education sector. You can make that sector creative or attractive by your efforts also, but I haven't seen any initiation in that particular field. So, do you
Yeah,
think the future is in risk? Like the question is, do you think the future in risk because of this particular scenario? And how
I do
Yeah,
agree with. Yeah,
I'm
I
going
agree
with
with your
Rishabh
My
because
answer.
Rishabh
Totally,
has
I
raised his
do.
hand first.
totally,
my
I agree.
statement is that the next 10 year is a very difficult time for the
Yeah,
India
yeah, yeah.
in every
Yep.
sector. Just imagine every private sector pay out them half employee.
Yeah,
Then
Yeah.
why they provide the job to the fresher? And every year 15 lakh, around 15 lakh engineer are graduated
yeah,
Hmm.
by government and non-government institutes and colleges.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It's a huge
Right.
number.
but
Correct.
think think one things that the basically the student who have a strong base of 9, 10,
Yeah.
11, they are a bright future.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
that's a
Yeah.
really true thing.
yeah,
Like the base is very very much strong. You know it. You know
Yeah,
those things
yeah,
foundation has
better.
to be strong.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
yeah. But in the next 5 year, the student of 8 class, 9 class, 7th class, they are in
Will suffer.
standard. Yeah, they
They
will
will suffer
suffer a
so
lot.
bad, so bad. They will suffer so bad.
The
Yeah.
cutoff of the every competition exam was quite low that time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Actually, I can see like the standard will be very lower. It will be like down to so much
yeah. I think we
at the
will
present
lose.
time
I think we will
if we
lose the
compare it
reputation.
with the present.
I think we will
Yeah.
lose the reputation in USA of mathematics genius.
Mm-hmm.
And this situation was not like that we actually were not able to control this, or we were not able to do anything. This could be
Mm-hmm.
controlled through proctored examinations or proctored education system, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Obviously, but
Even our exams are not proctored. We are giving
yeah.
exams over WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Actually,
Mm-hmm.
no, okay, okay,
I
okay, okay,
think
okay. Just focus on one thing also, that we are basically from the engineering department and we all have the work from the third year
yeah,
subject.
Mm-hmm.
We have all the core subject in the fifth sem, sixth sem.
yeah, yeah,
We
yeah.
Right.
are still know that what we study.
Yeah, really, really, really.
yeah,
And
exactly right.
I think like in this time when like online platforms were still growing before the pandemic times, and those online platforms are doing very well. Excellent things are like they are performing. People from
Yep.
the reading from those online platforms are excellent in the studies and the competitive examination all. So I think model from those like Unacademy, Byju's and all could be followed by colleges and schools. I think that they
Mm-hmm.
can like invest their money, like the fee of their school. I think like some amount that can be provided to the Unacademy and some to the Baiju, so they can like take the classes of the students. So I think that could be a better choice instead of
Exactly.
like they can provide half of the salary to the teachers. So like clearing their doubts, and also I think like a one-to-one session that could clear their doubts, and the whole like the topic teaching and the explanatory part should be given to the experts of the online system.
Exactly. Like there should
Exactly.
be a separate doubt clearing sessions, like they could be like in LNM particular institutes, like for engineering preparation,
Yeah,
those
Yeah,
institutes.
Mm. Like what I think is, if we were in this situation, if it is happen to be physically, like we are able to connect with people, so it will be difficult to for the people to commute to our place and teach us. But in this online situation, it's so easy to grab someone and just ask them to to provide some service. If it is if they are a teacher, we can just ask them to connect with the students. It's so easy for them because we
Yeah.
have to just be on this online platform only.
Yeah.
So I don't know why they are just not focusing on these
Because,
things.
you know, like,
Like our
Actually, the
government.
problem is also like our teacher are not like so much updated about technology, right?
Yeah, I'm not
yeah.
talking
So
about
I
the
think
teachers. Like they might not be updated as like
yeah,
much, but I'm talking about the government and the education, the
yeah,
actual, the actual, what should I say? The ministers or the things, those who are actually related
Responsible.
to, the education. Yeah, the
Yeah.
responsible
Well,
person who are related to this educational part.
yeah.
So they
I
should
believe
come forward.
Yeah, I think in that pandemic situation, like government should provide some training to the teachers, like how they can teach in like
Yeah.
in
But
virtual mode. Exactly.
yeah, but actually, you know, like, instead of investing in the training and all, because we all know that how they to take the training as all, you know, like, there are trainings in teaching staff and all in the universities and the provided by the what school and CBSE and all. But I think there is no effect on that. I still, you know, like, there are some teachers who are performing excellent in the online classes, even
Yeah.
if they don't know about the technology and all. It's all on the, you know,
exactly.
like, if you will take example of any coaching class, the teachers get well paid, okay, so they
Yeah.
perform their 100%. They just try to perform their 100%, and their explanation skills and all are very good. But talking about the offline school and teachers, they are not well paid, so they are not that much good, obviously. Okay, some are good,
Yeah.
but most of them are not good. So they are not be able to explain things in the offline class. So how could you think that they will be able in the online medium? You know, like, they are having a less stress and less what we say, the burden of doing things. So just that,
Right.
Exactly.
and you, like, people, the parents are paying so much to the school and so much to the online platforms and to the tuitions also. So they have to pay to three entities at the same time.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly.
I'm thinking, like, to just connect those three things and take a
Three
little,
things and make it
yeah,
one.
yeah, make it, try to make it one. Like, it's in normal situation, it's okay, but in this time, this could be done by schools. I think schools could do, if one
Yeah.
school will do this. I can think, like, if this model can be executed
Followed
properly
by,
by one
yeah, they
school or one big
adapt.
Yeah.
school,
Exactly.
I think that there will be some kind of revolution, I think. Like, people will
Yeah,
do.
at least they can, they can have some insights. Shall we move with this or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Online classes are like so much waste of time or like.
Time, data,
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah,
and
data.
And
I think
frustration
mentally,
also.
I think
And
there
yeah,
should
also
mentally
be.
harassing.
I think there should
also
be a platform, you know,
sometimes
like,
frustrating.
independent of data. Like, there was Twitter independent of data in Reliance one time. You can surf Twitter free of cost. You will not incur any data charges or mobile charges.
Yeah,
Yeah. So I think that
there's
could be
not.
done, you know, like, to a medium where teacher and students can connect some part of times, so that no one suffers the data loss or something.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me introduce an initiative by the government of Gujarat. They
Okay.
introduced few TV
Please,
channels.
please, Akhil, give the solution, bro. You have potential to make that.
To whom I should give solution.
To
Hmm?
education minister.
To education minister. I will write that. I will write this name, bro. I just came up with this. I haven't thought of this because
Yeah. Yeah.
why should I think of this? So I just came up with it. I think I should write these things to education minister. Now I
But
will
we
write.
just
Yeah, yeah.
shifted from economy to education right now, I
Yeah,
think.
that's
Yeah, but
the
they are somehow related, closely related. So we have to
yeah.
we just
Yeah.
Just
Education and
That is the daily
economy
pattern.
are, I think,
yeah.
That
related.
is the daily pattern.
No, it is not a Delhi pattern, but it's a human pattern. Yeah, sorry
Okay.
if my English is wrong, Santwana. Please
No,
correct us.
it's not wrong. It's actually a new terminology or kind of like people name few things, right?
Yeah, we are just trying
Like
to
we have
explain.
named Aditya Pramanik with a very cute name, you know. We
Yeah,
all know that, but I
you
can't
Yeah.
the Google
share
Meet
that name
mentioned it
either.
Brahmanic name, not cute name. It's Brahmanic name.
Brahmanic name.
Brahmanic name.
Yeah. Belong.
Brahmani
Devanagari.
Bani Brah.
Devanagari name.
Devanagari. Okay, I laughed at when I was child. I laughed at Devanagari. Why? So, so Amit, Pranjal, and Anubhav, something came on your mind, just clicked or something, education and
Well,
all.
since now people will say, like,
Yeah.
let me say one thing. Now people will say that you guys are talking about economy, what you guys are doing. I just want to give a statement for that, what we have done and what we are doing. I will say few names. Me, Aditya Pramanik, Amit Aryan, and Rishabh, and also Saurabh and a lot of other peoples. We are not from Chhattisgarh, but we stayed in Koni in COVID to keep its economy uplifted, right? So
Yeah.
we
We
are
totally
bringing
did
money
that.
from different states and spending
Yeah.
here so that the
Right.
economy of Koni stays stabilized.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me say very much thank you to you guys. You guys, if you haven't guys done that, I would not be able to, like have oxygen and some food in the Chhattisgarh. So thanks to you
Obviously,
guys, like
obviously.
you
Yeah.
lifted our
We
economy,
have
and
we have
that's
Yeah, yeah,
raised the
yeah.
economy more than
Actually,
the people who have bought alcohol and liquors, right?
Definitely. We
We
survived
have
actually,
one whole
actually,
we
year.
have bought ice creams from
one
Amul.
more thing, one more thing. Like some of guys are not present in Chhattisgarh, but they pay rent of the home, right?
Yeah. They
Actually, they
are
are
also.
those
also,
are the
they are
real
also.
OGs. Those are the real OGs, and
No, but they are not buying anything, no vegetables or any such thing. We are buying
But
those
I
things,
think,
right? We are
yeah,
creating demand.
you are
I
utilizing
think they,
services also, so you are paying for the services, and the loop is continuous, and
So the
we are
government, the people have that profit also,
and
no?
like what we are providing to other states is alcohol from Mahua.
So what will you do? What will you do? Since we are contributing to economy, so what will you do? You will remove all the roads
No,
from
no,
us.
no.
Like you won't let us walk on the roads. This
No,
is
you don't walk on roads,
humiliating.
bro. You walk on footpath. So
Now sarcasm
anyways,
is coming my
anyways,
way.
Pranjal and Anubhav and
yeah,
Amit
And I
were,
mean,
quite.
yes,
Yeah,
I
sir.
yeah.
haven't seen Guri speaking. Oh, sorry, Guri
yeah.
is Rishabh. Sorry.
Okay, let me talk like how economy and education are related, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like a country economy like becomes more productive, like as proportion of like educated worker increases,
Yeah.
I guess, right?
Yeah. You guys right.
Yeah. So like educated workers like can work like more effectively, like
So
performing some
educated, please
specific
don't call us
pref-
educated workers. Just call us professional people. That
yeah,
will be more
you
good
call
for us.
them, yeah, so that they can handle some critical situation like
Yeah.
if,
Obviously.
yeah, right. So education like is most important part, I
Yeah,
think,
you can
for
think in
in
a right
economy.
way. Just instead of
Yeah,
doing hard work, you can shift it to smart
yeah,
work and
you
save our
can,
tons
yeah,
of
exactly,
resources. Yeah, it's a race of saving resources and all. So
exactly.
yeah, you continue. I will
Yeah,
not stop. I will
that's
mute my
Akhil
mic.
won't interrupt from now, I think.
I have muted
He
my mic.
shouldn't.
I have
Akhil is
muted.
getting used to
Anyways,
yeah.
it from Adesh.
Okay, so like actually education helps reduce poverty, right? Like like people who are living in extreme poverty like are not an ideal situation to contribute country progress, but if someone like is from like if someone is like educated, they can provide more contribution in economy uh, by using his brain or talent or another thing, like that's it from my side.
wow. So now Pranjal or Amit, both of you and one of you. Yes, Amit. Amit, actually, you are mute. You are muted. You are on mute.
Okay. Actually, economy depend of many different things, uh, and that things one of the farmer.
Mm.
For if our farmer is falling down, our economy is also falling down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
right.
in India, I think maximum peoples are farming.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have some concept
Yeah. Uh,
villages.
I think if our country, if we want to increase our economy, then our government to support farmer for financially and some new techniques for farming.
Some
Then we
good
will,
equipments. Yeah.
yeah. Then we will increase our economy as much better than this right now.
Yeah.
I think
Right.
that's all.
Okay.
Okay.
So
That's
government
good.
should basically focus on the agricultural part, right?
Yeah,
boost
they
Yeah.
provide. Yeah,
farming.
they
I've
provide
heard
some
about
like
it in
some
the
good
budget. I've
equipments.
heard that they are going to finance something or they are going to provide money, but I don't think it will be on ground or it will
Mhm.
reach on paper.
Yeah, it will on paper also.
Yeah,
On
policies
Yeah.
paper.
are made, policies are made, but the
They are not
reality.
implemented, executed in the right way. Right? Mhm.
Yeah.
So Pranjal, what do you think? Like, what's your take on economy?
Angel,
You are actually muted, Pranjal. Hello.
I
You are on
I
mute.
like
Yeah,
that
yeah.
smile.
You know, it's,
Is he on meet with us or is he attending a meet with his girlfriend right now?
He's in meet, and he was not attending the meet
he's
for 2 days, and so
he
he's having some
actually
sort
he's
of complexity.
first
Oh,
he actually is creating environment, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
Pranjal will start speaking.
Mhm.
So I have only doubts today, and
Okay.
I'm not
Okay.
saying I'm not saying about economy. Actually, I only read a book of economy once, and I think about economy is like
Barter system.
yeah. So doubt is like GDP depends on and one question is like uh, 90 no, sorry 71 rupees of $1. This all depends of our economics or like this is different parts of like something and GDP is other things and these both comes in our economy. Actually, I have this doubt.
Yeah, and there is a solution.
You guys,
Yeah,
I
I
think
think
Rishabh
Rishabh and
can
Santwana,
better answer this.
Rishabh and
Mhm.
Santwana will
Yeah,
answer one
if
part of each.
Rishabh is saying something.
if we use the Indian market goods for three months and everyone hold the Indian, then we pass the dollar value.
Will surpass the dollar.
Yeah, in just a 3 month. Have
Then
you?
you are saying that we stop using like China product and some
Yeah,
other
and
country product.
every
Made in India
international
product.
product.
Yeah.
It depends
Yeah,
Yeah,
upon
just indie products, domestic
it,
products.
Yeah,
So we depend on our Swadesi product,
yeah.
right?
it depends upon exports, imports, and investments.
Investment. Oh,
Yeah, it is right.
Have you listened the story that Japan
so
never Japan never buy anything from the American market, but
Especially
USA,
orange,
yeah, American
oranges,
USA
right?
market always want to sell, but Japan never buy anything
Buys anything.
because
Mhm.
Yeah, and the
because of the
stories.
Hiroshima Act.
Yeah, the story started from oranges. The first thing which Japan didn't had at that time was oranges, and China was since China is producing oranges at a peak, so they tried to export their oranges to Japan, but they really refused to buy them. And even America tried to do so, and other countries tried to do so, but they said that even if we won't have oranges for 1 year, we won't die.
The nice
Yeah.
thing, they will they complete the vitamin C from lemon also. They can use that.
They can just make chemicals.
Yeah,
Those who can
Minute
just
made orange place by India. What like you don't have to take it.
by any cost.
We have seen like companies as a Pranjal has sourced out a topic which is basically based on investments. So we have seen companies like Facebook and Google taking interest in Reliance Jio.
Yeah.
The entire Reliance industry is basically.
No. That is the another
That is
thing.
another scenario. That is another
Yeah.
scenario. But I'm just saying one thing: like, if there is more foreign investment or if there is more focus towards FDI, I just want to ask a question basically:
Yeah.
will it uplift our value or GDP in the global market? Because
No. The collaboration of the Geo and Facebook is that Mukesh Ambani want to plant Geo in USA.
Oh.
yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so it is based on that.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
the investment is.
Yeah.
I thought the investment is based in infrastructural development in India.
No. And Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg help them by planting everything in USA. If
nice.
just like Reliance have a strong base in Africa also
Yeah.
in past year,
Mhm.
and Airtel have I think the which country I didn't.
I think
Uh,
Vodafone in UK.
It's a
yeah, Vodafone in
It's a company or it's a foreign company. I think Vodafone. I think.
Vodafone is the UK company. I don't
Yeah.
remember.
Vodafone,
It
I
is based
think.
in UK,
Based
England.
on
Yeah, it is
UK.
based in UK.
It was
Yeah,
I think,
yeah.
based on
But
England.
but Idea is an Indian company.
Yeah, Idea is an
Aditya
Indian
Birla.
company.
But they now have
They have
collaborated.
collaborated. It was of Aditya
Okay,
Birla.
a question related to that, as Rishabh has said, if Jio is launching its services in USA, and if people from USA start using its services, then will it benefit us
Yeah.
as Indians because people
Yeah, it's
will buy
benefit.
Jio products?
It's benefit us. Just recent the why we get the vaccine so early, because we know that we already know that the Indian supply chain is so slow. It is due to the industry man just like Ratan Tata and Mukesh Ambani.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Anita Ambani promised that we use the supply chain of the Geo SIM
Oh,
for the vaccine. That is
Mhm.
by these many just like Ajim Premji, I
Azimji
think.
Premji,
Azim Premji.
Azim
Wipro.
Azim Premji, Azim
It's of
Premji.
Yeah.
Wipro, yeah.
Their money and Ratan Tata, we all know that. Sorry, sir Ratan Tata.
Yeah.
1,000 crores.
I really
Yeah.
think it has Rakesh Jhunjhunwala invested in this or not.
Oh yeah, please don't take his name.
Whenever I see his face, I get reminded of Hajipur. Think of it.
Our investors and our industrial persons are very much patriotic to our country.
They are investor only. They invest the company and take out their profit.
Yeah,
They are
but
nothing.
no, I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about Sir Ratan Tata and Ajim
Yes,
Premji
yeah.
and all. They are, very much inclined towards the country and also
Birlas also.
Birlas and all.
Yeah, they
And
are
Mahindra,
very humble.
Adani.
Mahindra,
Adani.
Adani. Those are great people, really. So
Yeah.
I think those people
Yeah, like
really
basically-
contribute to our country a lot, and I think that one of us will someday do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope
Definitely.
my name would have been Santwana Adani.
No, why Santwana Dadi? It will be Santwana J.
Santana Singh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Santwana JP Morgan. Kidding.
No, don't associate your names with those countries which are going to fall
Anyone.
down later.
No, I will name that only after I buy that particular company, man.
Oh, you will
Oh,
name that
okay.
Santwana.
Just
No.
increase my name
JP
brand
Morgan.
value.
Are you-
I'm not buying jockey. Please
Jockey
don't associate.
Rishabh will buy jockey. Okay.
No.
It will be Rishabh jockey, short from RJ. It will be RJ. What? Rishabh jockey.
Yeah,
Jockey by Rishabh.
I will buy the company of Johnny Walker.
Oh, nice.
Johnny Walker. Oh, yeah.
Aditya Macho.
Macho.
I have a better version, Aditya. So let it be.
No. It's Aditya Birla. He will buy Aditya Birla and he will
Aditya
change
Birla.
the name.
I don't have to rename it. Like
Yeah.
you guys be pressing F2 and I don't have to.
Yeah.
Aditya will be like, okay, I bought Birla, but I really respect those people. Let's keep their name and let's keep my name also.
Yeah.
Oh,
So let's you're like you don't satisfied Pranjal with your answer. You haven't talked about dollar and all.
Yeah.
He will beat you.
Okay. Which currency is most powerful currency in world?
You Arabic. That's,
According to Indian currency.
Arabic. Yeah, what it was.
I think dinar.
Dinar.
Dirham.
Dinar.
Dinar. I think you
Dinar.
It's of
Dinar.
UAE. It's of UAE.
Yeah.
The currency name
So,
of the Qatar.
Qatar.
Dinar.
224 rupees equals to 1 dinar.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
huge money.
Yeah. Oh, that's
420.
I think. Oh,
Yeah.
220.
220.
220. That's huge.
Yeah,
huge
we-
number,
Yeah, 250 something.
Hey, what about Mehul Choksi?
Mehul Choksi. Who is Mehul Choksi?
Rishabh will be doing
Anyways, guys, I think
Why?
We have
Why?
almost,
I'm not being racist. No, not about racist. I'm not being regional. But why people from your place are indulged in more scams? Look at Mehul Choksi. Look at this. What Nirav Modi, Arshad Mehta.
You know, like they are balancing. Let me answer that. They are balancing the things. Okay, so people come like
And
Ambani
deep,
and all come from
deep
Gujarat.
people also.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They don't
big
want to
people
tell.
also from there only.
Yeah.
Rich people
We
are coming
balance
from
things.
Gujarat and scam, and you know they are great minds. If they are doing
Why
a
you need to
constructive
do
way,
a scam?
if
Why
they
you need to do a scam if you are able to get undio in Gujarat?
bro, it's
Why
like
you need
like,
to do a scam?
It's just like
Because
even a
you
guy
can.
named Anup Gol wants
if
to
you-
eat undia.
No. Because
not
if you
scamming.
can, if you can scam it, you can have those undias in London also. That's why you can.
Oh.
You have to do
Can't eat
scam.
undia in London.
bro, no.
That's why you have to
Undia
scam.
out of lettuce.
So that you can place a undia store in London, and then after that you can have undia. there.
Onion is expensive in foreign countries.
Actually, what is the
Bro,
thing
I
like?
have.
They
He
just
has scammed. He
They
has
are not
looted a bank.
scamming.
How much? How can onion be costly to
They
him?
are not scamming. Actually, they are not scamming. They just like hated the ego of the banks and all the governments. They haven't done anything. They just utilize the laws and things to their extent. Just they
Loopholes,
distorted.
right?
Just they found out the loopholes, and those loopholes are the reason for
I
their
think
scam and all.
that is the definition of a scam, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You like finding a scam. I think that they should be rewarded for that. Yeah, thank you, bro.
Yeah, bug
Like,
bounty,
bug
scam
bounty,
bounty.
scam
Actually,
bounty.
earlier scam, this word scam was not used in India also. This was used by international media, right, Rishabh? This word was
Yeah.
not even used in India. India used to use
Okay.
the word like Gotala.
Gotala.
Good. Chana.
Gotala.
420.
420.
420.
Yeah, what do you think? Like, what is the concept of 420? From where the 420 comes?
Okay, I'm
Yeah,
having
exactly.
1% battery. I
Eh,
think I'll leave
Yeah,
some.
so let's wrap up it. So thank
Please
you for the
contact
session,
Tesla.
guys. And
If you have less battery, please contact Tesla.
you haven't answered Pranjal, so you will have to answer Pranjal's question. Then you will leave, and I'm just stopping the recording because no, I will not stop the recording. If Aditya leaves, he have to leave. No problem. So you have to answer Pranjal's question, then I will stop the recording, and then I will upload the video.
Okay.
Answer
So
it.
I think I should leave now because it's 1%.
Yeah, you
Rishabh is saying,
Yeah.
Okay, so bye bye all.
yeah.
I'm
Nice to
thinking
talk you,
which was-
Santana.
Yeah,
Over
you
there,
just have
college
to
canteen.
answer
Thank
the
you so much.
like the dollar. The is like the rise of dollar. Dollar is more costlier than Indian rupees. So how
Yeah,
the
yeah.
economies get affected by that, and does it comes from economy or GDP is responsible for that or something like that? What is the thing that is like responsible for hike of dollar and all?
How it go?
There is also a fun fact, not a fun fact, it is a strong fact that many people in foreign, many Indians are living in the foreign, in any country, any side. They are sending their money in a in a way of dollar, dinar, etc.
Okay.
and many currency
Foreign
due
currencies.
by which our GDP are stable.
Oh.
If this will not happen, then GDP which will go in a negative growth. Yeah,
Oh.
this is the fact. There is a many people saying that many अपने देश को भूल गया etc that type
But
of
they are
word,
saving the
but
country from there. Okay.
yeah, they are saving they are saving the country.
Yeah, loot them, loot other countries. They have looted us. We have to loot them.
Actually, yeah, that's
Google Pay started the service. You can send money all over the world now.
That's
Yeah.
right. So,
yeah, international service.
so
Recently, it started the service.
So it is competing with PayPal right now.
Yeah,
Google wants to acquire everything. They will acquire everything.
no, he want to acquire every technology things, and Mark Zuckerberg wants acquire every social things.
Yeah, social thing. Yeah.
Have you seen the interview of Sundar Pichai with the Congressmen of America, the entire federation, and Sundar Pichai against them? It was a actually court or something. Or
Yeah,
some,
the privacy.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
was
It was some
about
privacy
privacy
issue.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Have you seen that particular interview? Like it completely shows how I was very proud, or I was at least not proud, but I was very relieved that only Indian politicians are not mad. Politicians all over the world are like that only.
Yeah,
One person asked how Google knows my location when I'm using an iPhone. Matlab, first he said that I have an iPhone. Why Google traces my location if I go from this place to that? And Sundar Pichai didn't answer it like in a very arrogant or vague manner. He just said that it's just because you have opted for some, services
from Google.
which
Yeah.
enable those things, right? But he didn't told him that, "Abbe pagal, you are using iPhone, you are not using Android. So how we will track your location?"
It doesn't mean you are using Android or something. You haven't switched on the GPS system. Why would
Exactly.
anyone will track you? You are just switched on the GPS system, and you want you to get exposed.
He,
So they
he
will
was
do that.
asked these questions only, and he was asked questions which were basically related to China. That are you creating an app or are you creating services in China? Like they were very intrigued or very angry about that.
Oh.
I think
So-
he should shift his base to India. Do you think? So?
Yeah. They have to make a base. I can give my home for initial purpose for your setting up office and all.
Pranjal's home will be the corporate office.
Bro, I think that we should provide the GGU's campus to them. It's of no use. That can be useful.
Please take my department so that I will take classes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I stop the recording or
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have to discuss something more?
no.
Please,
Okay.
please, Akhil.
Yeah.